Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen staple that promises to elevate your everyday cooking, the KICHOUSE Cooking Pots Lids Nonstick Wok. This isn't just another pan, it's designed to be a versatile workhorse in your kitchen, suitable for a multitude of cooking styles and stovetops. Let's unpack what this wok has to offer. First off, the marketing highlights its non-stick frying pan design, emphasizing a reduction in oil and smoke. This is a huge selling point for anyone looking for healthier cooking options or simply wanting a cleaner kitchen experience. The promise of even heating is also crucial for any good wok, ensuring your food cooks uniformly without hot spots. It claims compatibility with gas stoves, electric ceramic furnaces, and electric furnaces, making it a flexible addition to most kitchens. It even boasts about being a grilling wok, which is an interesting claim we'll consider. The product details further elaborate on its suitability for induction stoves, noting rapid and uniform heat conduction and a bottom that resists deformation. This is important because many woks can warp under heat, especially on powerful induction cooktops. The material is specified as stainless steel, which is generally known for its durability and longevity. It's also described as wear-resistant, a good sign for a pan intended for everyday use. One of the key features is the handle. The description mentions it's designed for effortless holding, implying it's comfortable and well-balanced, even for those with less upper body strength. The handle is also noted to be heat-insulating and heat-proof, a vital safety feature for any cookware. The portable handle design is said to save time and effort in carrying and storage, which is a nice bonus. The versatility extends to its intended uses: frying vegetables, frying eggs, cooking hot pot, and general cooking. This is what makes a wok so appealing, its ability to adapt to various culinary techniques. The size, approximately 53 by 31 by 8.5 centimeters, suggests a decent capacity for family meals or batch cooking. The gray color is a common and generally appealing aesthetic for kitchenware. Now, let's break down the pros and cons based on the provided details. On the positive side, the non-stick feature, if effective, is a major advantage for healthier cooking and easier cleanup. The wide range of stovetop compatibility, including induction, makes it accessible to many households. The stainless steel construction points towards durability and longevity, and the resistance to deformation is a significant plus. The focus on an ergonomic and heat-insulated handle is a thoughtful design choice that prioritizes user comfort and safety. Its multifunctional nature, capable of frying, stir-frying, and even hot pot, makes it a valuable addition for those who enjoy diverse cooking. However, there are a few points that warrant further consideration. While it's described as stainless steel, the specific grade or quality isn't mentioned, which can impact long-term performance and durability. The non-stick claim, while appealing, needs to be assessed in real-world use. Sometimes, non-stick coatings can wear down over time. The grilling wok claim is a bit unusual for an indoor wok. Its effectiveness in this capacity would likely depend heavily on the specific setup and heat source. The description also uses phrases like simple and convenient design and simple and delicate, which, while positive in intent, could also imply a lack of advanced features or premium finishing. Finally, the material is listed as just stainless steel material and resistant against. This incomplete sentence suggests a potential oversight in the provided details and leaves us to assume it's resistant to common wear and tear. In conclusion, the KICHOUSE Cooking Pots Lids Nonstick Wok appears to be a promising and versatile piece of kitchen equipment. Its emphasis on non-stick cooking, broad stovetop compatibility, and user-friendly design makes it an attractive option for everyday culinary tasks. While the long-term performance of the non-stick coating and the specifics of its stainless steel construction would be best evaluated through hands-on testing, the foundational features are certainly compelling. For home cooks seeking a reliable and adaptable wok that can handle a variety of dishes with ease, this could be a worthy consideration. Link in the description.